guys, Flip here, back again to bring you another piece. Unfortunately, I lost my memory card to the original piece I was going to do, which will flash up on the screen. And yeah, that was really awesome. I absolutely love doing that. That was my first piece with my loop spray paint, and yeah, it came out amazing. Really enjoyed it. So much better than what I thought it was going to come out. But yeah, unfortunately I've lost the memory card at the moment. If I find it, I will make a video on it, so hopefully you guys stay tuned to that. If not, don't worry, we'll make some more art anyway. I'm sure we can do something just as awesome. But yeah, so today I did the raw dinosaur and smashed that out. That absolutely, I think I killed it. Can I say that? I don't know. If you want to like and subscribe, do all the bells and the notification-y things, and get that like going, give them all a ding-a-ling, that'd be amazing. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to it.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash, yeah adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vamonos. If you're not first and you're in last, Ricky Bobby quote, you gotta know. Work hard, get dough. No sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad.
I'm on the rail, I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Facade get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show and she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they can tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail. I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell, that for the sale, yeah. Ay, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I needed from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging their darts, make them reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the punt off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Dre with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm clutch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I spit shit from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like it's surgery. She the curve at you just to flirt with me. Totally tucked out, but the jewels out. I just in a home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen said she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. If they ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I rap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling, I speed out, I hit me a chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. This facade get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. Really outside with it. Run with it.
All I ever wanted was you, but you left me alone inside these empty, broken walls. And I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know that you left me alone inside this empty, broken hall. And now you'll be the reason why my soul is tainted. Somebody help me, 'cause I'm feeling trapped and I don't know what to do. There's no one to save me from this hurt I feel deep within my bones. Did you ever think of me and see the things I did? Sold my soul and everything, I was to the lowest bid. Crawled into your poison dome, yet every single time you got into my mind, you got into my mind. But all I ever wanted was you. But you left me alone inside these empty, broken walls. And I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious, I know.
So yeah, guys, tell me what you think. I think it came out amazing. Loved it, and hope you guys enjoyed this piece. And there's many more to come. Yeah, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and the bell icon and whatnot. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Late. Cue the montage.